Hansel and Gretel live with their father and their stepmother. Their house is near a big forest. They are very poor. They have little food. One day, the stepmother has an idea. She says the children must go to the forest. The father is sad, but he says yes. Hansel hears this. At night, he goes out of the house. He takes small white stones. The next day, the family walks to the forest. Hansel leaves the stones on the ground. The parents go back home. The children are alone. At night, the moon is bright. The stones shine. Hansel and Gretel follow the stones. They arrive at their house. After some time, there is no food again. The stepmother sends the children to the forest again. This time, Hansel has no stones. He has bread. He drops pieces of bread. But the birds eat the bread. The children do not find the way. They walk for many days. They are hungry and tired. They see a small house. The house is made of bread and sugar. The children eat the house. An old woman comes out. She seems good, but she is a bad witch. She puts Hansel in a cage and makes Gretel work. The woman wants to cook and eat Hansel. But one day, Gretel is brave. She tricks the woman. She falls into the hot oven. The woman dies. Gretel opens the cage. Hansel is free. They find gold in the house. They put the gold in their pockets. They walk a lot. They see their house. Their father is happy. They have food. They give the gold to their father. They are safe and happy now.